One of those engineers was Percy LeBaron Spencer. Spencer didn't look like a revolutionary inventor. He had grown up poor, largely educated himself, and worked his way up through sheer technical skill. But by 1945, he was one of Raytheon's leading experts on radar tubes, especially magnetrons. One day, while standing near an active radar unit under test, Spencer noticed something odd. The candy bar in his pocket had melted. The room wasn't hot. Nothing else had changed. But the chocolate had softened completely, far more than it should have. Spencer didn't brush it off. He thought about it. The only unusual factor was the operating magnetron nearby.